Hello everybody and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host Soul, and today we're taking a look inside of Fairy Tail Collection 5 on Blu-ray, which has episodes 97 through 120. So here is the cover, the spine, the back, and the other spine. Take the slipcover off, you get a little more of the same. And you open it up and you get the episode guide list. And then you get DVD disc 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you get Blu-ray disc 1, 2, 3, and then the disc popped out, but 4. And then you get this artwork. So this has been Fairy Tail Collection 5 on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.